The primary assets and the star of the show are 3 C-17s purchased from the U.S. government, and they're possessed here at Papa under a Hungarian registration. There's fundamental things you have to do to maintain an aircraft in airworthiness status. But we also have to do what's called heavy maintenance, which is done every 6 years, which is a deep look at the aircraft to ensure the structures are all in good shape. Over a period of 5 to 6 months, they essentially strip the aircraft of all the paint. They pull off a lot of the panels that are never pulled off. Some of the hard look-at areas are opened up, and they're looking for chafing wires, ensuring the hydraulic tubes and the tubing is not wearing abnormally. And also we look at the structure for fatigue. Are there cracks or anything going on, corrosion that would make the aircraft unsafe? And all those items, once they find it, they repair it. In the end, the aircraft comes back to us all painted and looking new.